Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's V Monique. Why I just recorded, well, I thought I was recording. I've been talking to myself for like 5 minutes. I thought I was recording. I just looked at my phone and the red button was still being ready to be pushed. I didn't push the red button, so I wasn't recording. But y'all, I have a surprise announcement time. Don't mind them in the background. You can, you know, I'm in a freaking camera. Simple as that. But yeah. So, been looking at the Canon G7X Mark II. I see the Sony ZV-1, something like that. I don't know. Something. I think that's what it's called. I've been looking at that one, but I've been looking at both, but I've seen more of the Canon, and I've researched both on, you know, I'll be watching the quality tests and stuff. I don't know, I just think that the Canon gives iPhone, the Sony gives Android, very much Android. Not the... Wow, I did not try that before, but not the quality. The quality looks good on both, but I just think the body type, how it looks on the outside, it just, I don't really care for it. It kind of looks old-time-ish, but look at the Canon G7X Mark II. Yeah, we're supposed to be going today, right now, actually. Supposed to be leaving. We're going to look at Best Buy. I don't think I'm really getting into that. I think I'm gonna have to order it at the store because I looked at the locations that we have here, and they were saying like not available in the store. I'm hoping I get it today. I don't think, but I'm praying and hoping that I do because I've been wanting this camera for a while. But it's 101. I'm gonna see y'all later. I'm gonna talk later. See you later. Okay, intermission. So we just left Best Buy. We're at the mall now. My sister went in, but we just left Best Buy. I got the camera. Well, I don't really got it. I don't have it with me. I don't really have it. It's not, I didn't pay. And then plus, I don't have it in my hand. But it's supposed to be shipping to my house on the 27th. Today is the 23rd. I had to do a payment plan because we was doing a credit card, and I didn't get approved because I don't have any credit history. I have a set. He said I have a 750 credit score, but I don't have any credit history. So we had to do this little payment plan with this other people because I didn't get approved by this time. So
you got approved for a little thing. It's just that.
Yeah, I didn't get approved by Best Buy.
Oh yeah.
So I have to pay $2 a month for 3 months, 90 days. That's what we're doing. My camera coming in 4 days. Wait, 4 days. Yeah. Happen. So yeah.
Stop.
I guess I'll talk to y'all when I get my camera. In 4 days. That's Friday. Today is Monday. Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. Don't mind this stain on my jacket, but it's not another video because I've already recorded part 1. But welcome back. It is
Where you going?
I'm recording a video.
Can I come in?
No, Sierra, why?
You want baby?
Where you gonna sit? Cause this whole bed is in the camera.
You want baby?
No. So I'm back. It is a couple days later from the first scenes, and I have a picture camera. So it is January 26th, the last time I was here was January 23rd. So it's been a couple of days. I'm back and I got my camera. As you can see, it's in the box. I had to open the box before the video started. I maybe opened this box, but all I seen was paper. I seen the paper. Let me fix it. Okay, so yeah, I have the. I seem kind of far back on y'all. I'm sorry. I have the. Let me do it thumbnail. I have the Canon G7X Mark II Power Shot. I didn't know that Power Shot was at the beginning. I just know it's the Canon G7X Mark II. It is not the newest. It's the newest for me. It's the only for me because I'm recording on my phone currently. I got this camera today. It just came in. I got it from Best Buy. It's so hot in here, y'all. I can't heat up and I'm hot with this jacket. Got it from Best Buy. It took a couple days to come in. It was $6 something, but I'm paying it for 3 months, so it's $2 something every month. Make sure you got my address on. You got this paper and a little, we got some more quick manual. Oh. I'm so nervous, y'all. And it's so hot and I want to turn this fan on because this video is blowing right on it. But I got my freaking camera. So, yeah, I've been doing YouTube since May of 2022. So, I got a new camera. I've been wanting for a little while now. I'm supposed to get it for Christmas, didn't get it. Got another camera instead that didn't have good quality, so we sent that back. And I've got this camera. So, let me stop talking. Let me show you in the box. So, and they were supposed to send me a SD card, and I don't have an SD card. The camera box just came in here. The SD card must be running late. I have this battery charger, and then have the little charging full or whatever light to tell you if it's charged or it's full. I got the battery. And then I got a little cable card. I got a little card. So y'all, I only have the camera. So I'll be showing you some footage. I had to put the battery in there. I'll show y'all a little footage. But I only have the camera today. I cannot open this. I only have the camera today. I don't have my accessories because I ordered them on Amazon. I ordered them on Amazon like the day after I got the camera. And they pushed the day back. So it's not going to be in until Saturday. So that's 2 days from now. Today is Thursday. And the camera's actually supposed to come tomorrow, but it came earlier. Supposed to come Friday. Came today, Thursday. And the stuff that I bought, like the case and everything, is coming Saturday. And I ordered a actual case to put the camera in. That's coming, talking about February 1st. So that's probably not going to even be in this video because I'm not waiting this long to upload that video because that's just too much. But this is a little card that you put in there to hold on your wrist. And let's get into the camera. I could have sworn it was going to have most stuff in here, but I guess, I don't know. This is my first camera, so let me stand up for this. This is the camera. Over there. Y'all, I'm so nervous because I really got a camera. I really got a camera. Y'all, I'm so scared. Hopefully my hair not out the video. Y'all, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Y'all, I got a freaking camera. Let me do another thumbnail. I'm not even looking at the camera. I'm looking at myself in the mirror. Y'all, look at the freaking camera. Yeah, I'm putting like that. So pretty. Let me turn it around so y'all can see. Move the light back. So, what I ordered, I did not order screen protector. I was like, my high school child arts sector. She was like, Brianna, and it already got a fingerprint on it from me holding it. She was like, Brianna, like, but I'm pretty sure I need the artist sector. I'm scared to handle it because I don't have my case and I don't have the tripod because they both come in. You just put in the battery. I don't know if they have battery. I don't think I have battery, but and it has Wi-Fi. How's this going yet? Oh, I guess this way. They both come in Saturday, so my tripod and stuff they come in Saturday. How does this go in here, y'all? Okay. Putting in the battery. Oh, y'all. Good. Okay, so I got the battery in. Now let's turn it on. The little button. It's right there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. My hand covered in camera, but stop freaking playing, y'all. Let me show y'all that too. I'm not gonna try to pull it again. Is it focused? Oh, it just turned off. Charge the battery. The battery is not charged, but y'all get up in the camera. So let me charge the battery. Let me take it out and put it in the charger. So this is how the back of the camera. Let me get out the camera. GX. So the top, it has a little knobby to change the little what you want it on. I'm guessing like picture, video, whatever. And then I think that little knob, that little small knob. Hold on, I'm trying to do many things at once. I think this little knob is to zoom. I think that's to zoom. Then you have the on and off. I don't know what this. I don't know what this is for. And right there, it has Wi-Fi. Like I said, it's a little Wi-Fi emblem. Wi-Fi also. Charge right here. Yo, what the? I'm trying to see if I got a charger. Oh, HDMI right here. Another plug thing. And then these some things. Record. Bring function. What that means. Like a little control button, different stuff. Menu and to see the video. I think I only know a few of them buttons because I had that camera for a short period of time. Am I stupid? I'm looking for something to charge it with. I'm so dumb. Like I literally have the battery on the charger right now. I'm so new to this, y'all. I don't know what I'm doing, but. I feel so stupid because I'm really going crazy looking for a card to charge it with, and it literally has the literally have the battery on the charger. So we're gonna open this because I didn't open it yet. So this is how it looks with the. I think they call this a viewfinder. This is what it looks with the viewfinder open. This is how it looks when it's open at the back. So you'll be like this, but I'm not gonna be like this because I'm gonna have a tripod, but I don't have it right now because I said it's coming on Saturday, so wait for that clip. But yeah, freaking purr. So I'm gonna let that battery charge for a little while, and I'm gonna go get a SIM card because my dad already had a SIM card from the other camera that he bought for me, extra 2. He got like 132 gigabytes on it. Let me go see, and I'm gonna put it in here even though it doesn't have the battery. I'm gonna put it in here because why not? But this is the camera. So I'll see y'all once that battery charges. Yeah. I just put the card in here. It's been charging for like 30 minutes. Not the card, the battery. I did put the card in here, but the battery been charging for like 30 minutes. Let's see. Oh, we gotta set it up and do the date and time stuff. Let me do a side by side. So this is how it looks. I'm looking at the viewfinder and not the lens. This camera is so hard to hold without the tripod, but yes, this is how it looks. This is how my phone looks. This is how the camera looks. I have not did any adjustments to the what it's called, to the settings. So this is how it looks fresh out the box without changing any of the settings. Okay, so I just got home and it's a new day. It is currently, it is January 28th, and my stuff just came in for my camera, so let's get into it. I have my camera here, so it's Saturday now, so I have my camera here. Thumbnail. We're gonna open this first because I'm gonna show you. I have my case. Look what they sent the case in. Like, ugh. I have my case. Let's open it up. I got dark ink. And it's the case that have the little thing on it for the lens. So we're gonna put that on. Let's put it on. Let's put it on. Y'all, I've been scared to take this camera places because I ain't had no case. Got the case now. Okay. Purr, pink, my favorite color, you know. That's how it looks. Shows the Canon and the G7. I really need a screen protector. It's so dirty, but I should have bought a screen protector. I didn't. So once I turn it on, it just opens like that. Got it to protect the camera lens, even though it closes. And then I have SD card reader for my phone, so I can take the SD card out of the camera to plug it in here and to get the pictures faster. I do have the Canon Connect app. Let me show y'all that. Oh, I'm recording on my phone. I don't know why I'm thinking I'm recording on the camera. I do have the SD card Connect app on my phone. So I just, not SD card, just the Canon Connect app. Have this, which you put the SD card in here and you plug it to your phone and get the pictures like that. So yeah, I'm not even in the center of this camera, but tripod. We got the freaking tripod, so let's open it. We have the tripod. This is whole, it's so small. And I love it that it's so small because I didn't need nothing too big. Like the camera that my dad bought for Christmas, like it came with a big long tripod, with the little funny legs, and you can shape them and stuff. I didn't like that, but I like how small this one is. Look how small it is, y'all. It's so freaking small. Y'all really YouTube, but like it just feels realer with the case and the tripod. So, and then lastly we have this for the car. So I'll open it, but I'm not gonna put it in the car yet because I still don't know which car I'm putting it in. What car I'm putting it in. So it comes like this. This is a stick piece, and then oh, this is a stick piece too. I don't know. But you put it on the thing and you have your camera, twist it on. Some other piece. I don't know what this is for, but I'll get into it when I get into it. But that's all I have. So just waiting on my necessities. So got everything I need. I do need to order another battery because they only sent one, like I said. That's okay, but I need to order another battery, and then I think I'll be good for right now. My case is not in yet. I actually need to check when it's gonna be in. It's about February 1st, but I don't know if it's gonna be in faster. That's next Wednesday, this coming Wednesday. So yeah, we shall see. But yeah, I keep showing you my camera because I like it. But thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned for my new videos with my camera. Still gotta adjust some settings and stuff, work it out, figure it out. But yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you ain't doing that, then what you doing? So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later.